Okay, so today we are doing Amsti 11.2. We're going to demonstrate lava flow. So right here, I have melted wax in the bag. So in your table, it says form of wax melted. Can you scroll down just a little bit, Grace, on that? Okay, see where it says melted, and you've got to put in your observation. So go ahead and put in your observation.
Wait, what are we putting in observation?
Observation is what it looks like.
It's black.
It's black.
It's runny and it looks like ink.
Cause it looks like whenever it's like purple popsicle melted.
It does kind of, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But no, it's black. Melted wax. So I want you to write down your observations about it. And the first thing I'm going to do.
How's it not, no, on the bag.
Is it heavy?
Because it's a really thick bag.
No,
Whenever it goes up, is it not like dry on the sides?
It is. Like it's starting to like dry at the sides.
Is it heavy?
Jesse, turn around and stop.
why ain't it getting hard?
Well, because it's cooling. I'm about to show you what happens when this is supposed to demonstrate lava flow. Okay? I will flow it down this slope, and then I will let you see what it looks like, okay? So I'm going to pour it down here. Oops.
That came down fast.
Yeah, it did.
Is that purple?
No,
It's black.
It looks like it's blue.
It looks like a mess.
How did
It does look like a
table? Oh, it almost did.
Okay. So what is happening to it? What's happening to it as it's flowing down the hill?
It's drying.
Well, it's cooling. It's not drying. It's cooling. And what happens when it cools?
It gets hard.
Yeah, it gets hard. Okay, does lava kind of do that too? When it cools, it gets hard?
Yes.
Okay.
When it hits for something cold.
And we're gonna do that in just a minute, okay? So down here we've got some that's already kind of cooled down at the bottom. And you see how it's already cooled and started to get hard. If you can't see, you can stand up and come look at it, okay?
Can I peel it off?
No. And then I'm going to pour some more in just a little bit.
It looks like it's so
You see how it kind of pools down here, and then it's already gotten kind of cool. Okay, now I'm going to pour some more. No, it's thin. Okay. Now what happens when I just pour some down here?
It just puddles up.
Well, it puddles up, but it kind of layers on top of each other, right? Because the layer underneath it cools.
Cause like that's dry. It's cooled
It's
off.
cooled off, right? And then as I pour more,
It'll just keep layering up.
it'll keep layering up. See how it layers one on top of the other? Okay. So now I want you to go back and I want you to complete this chart. You got to put your observations about cooled wax and your observations of what it does when it goes down the slope. Okay?
Right back to this. Wait, do we write that here?
Okay, then go right here.
The next one says flowing,
And-
melted and flowing into cold water.
Do we write it right here?
Yes.
Earl, it cools as it
The
flows
last
to
one
the
says melted and it says what? Melted in the...
Melted and
It's cold
flowing
flowing.
into cold water.
Okay, I'm going to show you that in just a minute.
So which one are we doing right now?
You're doing the top three. You're doing the cooled, the melted and flowing down the slope. Okay.
There's no cold, it says solid.
In the water.
What is it?
Okay, now we're gonna do the cold water and we're gonna pour some melted wax into the cold water and see what happens.
Can turn into a worm.
You're a worm.
What? See, it's a worm.
Whoa.
It's a black snake is what they're called.
She made a worm. A black worm.
What did it do?
It dries as soon as it hits the water.
Okay. You can see that.
It got hard.
It instantly cooled,
And
didn't
floats up
it?
to the top.
It's like putting
Okay.
chocolate on. It looks like oil.
It's not oil.
Can I touch it?
It has formed.
It's
like
like a snake.
Okay, let me ask you this. If this were the ocean and if this was real lava, what would this be in the middle of an ocean?
Obsidian.
Not a rock, what would it be?
Lava.
Yeah, it'd be an island.
That's a small
Obsidian.
What island is gonna be this big?
Why is it hard?
It
It got hard and looked like a snake.
Yeah, I just cooled it down so it's not hot and melted anymore.
There's lots of grass grow on it and sand.
Because not where the green
Everything blue is a black person.
Okay, so now, Aiden, it says melted and flowing into cold water. You need to go ahead and write down your observations of what happened when I did that, okay?
I put it instantly cold.
Yeah, it instantly cooled and it got hard.
Instantly.
Instantly.
It instantly cold and hit the water and floats up to the top.
When we get done doing turn it in. What about put on solid?
Yes, turn it in and then you can go ahead and do your after lab questions.
dry
I'm
faster
flowing
This one
or
is easy.
It's drying faster
I'm
now.
allergic
it
to
is,
chunking
isn't
up.
it? I think that's
It's
more
getting
of what
thick.
it's supposed to be like. So. I think I got it too hot.
Can I have that knife?
Yeah,
that was a lot harder than
I want to put it over my head.
Who said that was harder than they were expecting?
Riley.
This work?
Harder than it was.
Oh, harder. I thought you said harder. I was like, what? This wasn't hard.
That was so hard, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, now when you finish this, I want you to do your after lab questions, which I know y'all will get those just like that.
I want to put my bag
I'm
over my
allergic to
head.
questions. Can
Can I pour that hot wax on my